everybody. So I'm in the outdoors. I'm in the outdoors right now. I'm taking care of nature during the COVID-19 lockdown, quarantine. I'm doing some trail maintenance. Trail maintenance in my daughter's backyard. And hi, Olive. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
And yes, I am taking out the roots. If you don't take out the roots like that, it'll grow back. So I am doing trail maintenance. Guys like this need a shovel because the stem breaks. Anyway, I'll take care of those properly. Anyway, today what I plan on doing for you guys is going into my backpack, or my food bag that I still have, and I want to show you what I had for the first day, actually probably for the first 3 days, because if I remember right, it's already been like 21 days since I was supposed to be on the PCT, that I've had my food bag in there and I haven't looked at it. So I'm going to open it up and kind of show you guys what I have in there, because I already forgot anyway. And then, yeah, a little bit of that, and hope to keep it short. My last video was kind of long, because, you know, that happens when you're quarantining and you're going like, blah, blah. I'm being silly again, I'm sorry, I try not to do that. Okay, anyway, I'll be doing that next after I get done with some more trail maintenance.